Hello friends and a very good morning to all of you. Dear students, as you know that we are learning the 18th lesson from your English textbook, and that is weeds in the garden. We have already started learning this lesson, and today we will move ahead in this lesson. But before that, let me highlight what we have discussed earlier. As I told you while introducing this lesson to you, the story is about a boy named Anshuman and his father. Anshuman's family members were quite unhappy, especially his parents, because of his bad habits. And therefore, his father wanted to change his bad habits practically, and he was in search of some opportunity so that he can show practically to Anshuman how the bad habits are dangerous and why there is need to change them. So soon an opportunity presented itself, and soon an opportunity presented itself. Anshuman had gone to stay on his grandfather's farm with his parents. Early one morning, his father took him for a walk around the farm. See, Anshuman's father was searching for an opportunity, and it came surprisingly when Anshuman and his parents went to stay at his grandmother's farm for a few days. And one day, Anshuman's father has taken Anshuman to the morning walk to the garden. He was describing the specialties of various plants and vines and bushes and trees to Anshuman. And in the farm, Anshuman's father was telling the importance of different plants, birds, and various other things. Suddenly, he stopped at and pointed at a small seedling growing near a plant. And at a point, Anshuman's father stopped and he pointed out to a seedling, means small grass, which was growing near a plant. Anshuman, that's a weed. Can you pull it out? Anshuman's father said, Anshuman, that's a weed. Can you pull it out? Anshuman had no difficulty in pulling all of the small seedling out. It was a small seedling, means small grass, so it was not difficult for Anshuman to pull it out. Good, said his father, and they continued with their walk. After a while, they came upon the same weed, but there it had grown slightly bigger. The same kind of weed had grown bigger in some other part of the farm where they came to walk. It had grown slightly bigger than the previous one. He told him to uproot the weed carefully, making sure that no trace of root was left in the soil. This time Anshuman's father told Anshuman that this time you have to be careful because weed had grown big, and you have to take care that no root of this weed should remain in the soil. Otherwise the weed can grow again, he warned. Otherwise the weed can grow again. Anshuman's father warned Anshuman. Anshuman uprooted the plant carefully, twisting it and pulling it hard so that the whole of it came out. And Anshuman, with great care, he uprooted that bigger weed so that nothing left in the soil, and it was a very good task done by Anshuman. Then his father drew his attention to the same weed growing at some distance. There it had grown into a big plant with tiny flowers and dark fruit. Now, Anshuman's father pointed out to a weed which was grown into the plant, and it has dark flowers and fruits. This is no longer weed, but it had grown into a big weed. like a plant. That could be quite dangerous. We must not leave it growing there. Take it out, said Anshuman's father. Anshuman's father said, this weed grown up as a plant and we should not leave it in the farm, so keep it out.